This sound is blowing up right now. 2000 Swag is taking over TikTok, and if you're not making these beats yet, you're already behind. Today, I'm gonna show you how to tap into this wave. Smooth R&B chords, bouncy hip-hop drums, and those classic Triton sounds. So you can stay ahead of the trend and make music that actually stands out. Let's go. So for these kind of beats, you want to have your BPM somewhere around like 180 to about 100. So we're gonna do something around like 190 to 192. This helps getting down that 2000s kind of bounce. And I'm gonna start by going into Triton and getting some sort of synth, which for these kind of beats, you really want to get like synth sounds, like those vintage sounding synth sounds that are kind of detuned. I'll stack it. Let's get another synth. That was kind of more of like a pad. Let's do some short stabs here with this. Sounds too gospel-y. I'm gonna change the sound. Let's get a lead. Let's change these chords. I'm gonna lay down kick and then I'm gonna go back to the melody after. And for like the drums, for most of the drums, you want to put them into the playlist. Damn, my nose, bro. I got like a crazy booger, bro. So let's start with the shaker. And we're gonna do it in the playlist just because we can like trim the length, which is like really important for the bounce. Something like that. It will probably add some variation, but let's add a snare. And then you got to do it the double time way. I'm just like finding new chords because I feel like with this lead, the previous chords don't really fit. So I'm gonna take this lead and I'm gonna split it up into 2 different leads. So I'm just gonna take these middle notes, hold Control Shift, and then hit Control X. We're make a glide go over. I'm gonna layer the snare, and then I think we're gonna 808 and maybe a few percs. That's why you gotta put it in a playlist so you can like chop it up nice. Copy these over. Okay, I'm gonna use this as a hi-hat. See what I'm saying? This is why you gotta put it in the playlist, because you can just like chop anything and turn it into a perc. It's super sick. Okay, let's get an 808. There we go, that's the bounce. Start pitching everything down like 4. Okay, we need some stabs. Maybe like organ stabs? Dude, this is fucking fire. It's just a pain in the ass because I started with completely different chords and now it's completely different. So like the first beginning bit, it was kind of like, fuck. I'm gonna copy these chords and I'm gonna try making little like stabs with it, you know, just to give it some extra bounce. Dude, I gotta lock in right here. Okay, let me mute the chords. Gotta figure out these stabs here. I gotta lock in. Oh shit, that was tough right there. If you want to move these notes without them snapping a grid, just hold Alt and then you can make them shorter, or you can just move them off the grid. I might keep this half a little bit different. So basically, this section is gonna be a bit different from that one. We're gonna do it like. If you guys want to make your Triton sounds glide, just go over here to where it says pitch, hit enable, and just hit enable for both of them. And then go over here to oscillator mode, change this prog basic to mono. This sounds kind of like a pad, so it kind of trips a little bit, but it should be alright. I want to add some more shit, but I don't know if I'm like overcooking, so I'm just gonna listen to it and like think for a second. Okay, we need a damn. I'm gonna start arranging this bitch. Shit is fucking crazy, bro. I thought it was ass. Like, yo, when I started, I thought this shit was garbage. I was like, what the fuck am I making? Yo, if you guys want to like mess around with the effects in Triton, it's kind of complicated, but just go to IFX, and then right here you'll see what effect is on like what channel. So I want to do the delay, so I'm gonna go to MX1. It's up here, MX1, and then I can adjust the delay here. So I just want to make it more delayed. Okay, let's arrange. We're gonna try the pharrell. We're gonna do the pharrell. So we take all this shit and copy it over here, and we're gonna cut it, and I'm gonna hit a crazy stutter. Gotta add this to the mixer, take some lows out, so it like punches harder. Just do like a ghetto sidechain for the 808. I don't really remember how to sidechain, so I just do it the ghetto way. just want to do one more thing. I want to do like a reverse reverb kind of transition. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Basically just take all your melodies and then route them to one bus, which I have right here. I have a melody bus, and then on your melody bus, add a fruity convolver or just some sort of reverb, and then put the dry down, put the wet up a little bit, and then grab a Edison, put it on the same track, set this to now, and then hit this record button, and then just play and stop really quick. Okay, bet. So now we got that reverb tail. So we're just gonna delete all this like extra shit right here, and then click right here, drag this in, and then double click it, hit the reverse, the uno reverso, and then we're just gonna cut this right here just like that, and then that should be good. And then don't forget to take off your reverb. We're just gonna make it like a little bit less like intense. Anyway guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys learned something. Just remember to do like major 7, minor 7, major 7, minor 9, minor 11. Just kind of these like more intense chords, and also drag in your drums into the playlist. That way you can like trim it up and just make the bounce like crazier. Also, if you guys want my new drum kit, Music Plus, it should be out now. So just hit that link in the description. And yeah, thank you boys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.